In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor assembly on this Dodge Ram. This is located under the passenger side of your dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's make our way underneath the passenger side dash. In this area is where you're going to find the blower motor. Locate the wiring harness, making its way all the way up behind the glove box. You can take hold of this, lift it straight up and away from the housing, and bring it down to where you can access it. We'll be looking for the little lock right along here. Go ahead and gently pry that away and separate the two wiring harnesses. You can use your finger for that or a small screwdriver. We'll give each end a quick inspection, especially the part that's stuck with the truck, and we can set that aside. Now we can slide the wiring harness out of this bracket. Now let's make our way along the side here. We'll take hold of this hose, give it a little wiggle, and you can separate it from the blower motor. We'll rest that aside. Now let's have a look at the mounting hardware. You'll find that you have two 8mm headed screws out in the open. The third one is located all the way behind this area. We'll start with the hardest one to access. For this, I'll just be using an 8mm with a swivel. This last one has a wiring harness and that small bracket attached to it. Now we can remove that blower motor. Once you have it out of there, you'll find that you have a plastic cover that comes around the bottom. Slide that right off. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new blower motor. We want to make sure we pay attention to this hole right here. That's where that small hose went into. With that said, we'll put on our plastic cover. Align the mounting bolt holes. And now we can put this up into place. Give this a little twist. Once that's aligned, you can start in all three of your mounting bolts. Keep in mind that this one, on the outboard side, had that small bracket and the wiring harness. On there. Slide it up through here. The second one here. Now I'll get that last one around the back side there. Once you have all three of those started in, you can go ahead and snug them up. We'll make sure we have this bracket facing in the proper direction. Slide it over. That one's nice and tight. Let's take that wiring harness. We'll bring it over to the proper position around the small bracket here. Squeeze that down. Now we can connect in the blower motor. Press that in, listen for a click. Give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. Put that right up in here. Now we can install this hose. Carefully get it inside there. You have to work it around a little bit to slide it into the hole that's in the blower motor. And there we go. Okay friend, we fully installed the blower motor. At this point, you can go ahead and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.